We have seen how sound propagates through a medium. When the object vibrates, it creates the disturbance in the surrounding medium, and this disturbance is what we called as sound waves. The wave travel in the medium in the form of compression and rarefactions. But in which direction do the particles of the medium vibrate? Before we answer that question, we will talk about longitudinal waves. What are longitudinal waves? Let me tell you the fancy definition first. Waves in which particles of the medium move in a direction parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of energy transport are called longitudinal waves. What does that mean? Before we get to the statement, do you remember what parallel and anti-parallel mean? Parallel would be two vectors like this, and anti-parallel will be two vectors like this. Parallel but opposite direction. Now coming back to this statement, it means that if the rays travel in this direction, then the particles of the medium also move to and fro along this direction only. So the displacement of particle is parallel or anti-parallel to the direction of the propagation of wave. Is sound waves a longitudinal wave? Take this example and try to find out. Yes, sound waves are indeed longitudinal waves. We see this in this example that the particles of the medium are vibrating in the direction of propagation of waves. Sound waves are also called pressure waves. Can you tell me why? It is because the sound waves consist of the repeating pattern of high pressure regions called compressions and low pressure regions called rarefactions through the medium. But wait, hold on. Or the waves in which displacement of particles of medium not in direction of propagation of the wave? The answer is yes. Let's see one example in which the propagation of the particle is perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the wave. Take a string with one end fixed to the wall. This end is fixed at the wall here, and this one is on your hand. We see a wave when we give the string an upward jerk from this end. What do you notice here? In what direction are the particle of the string moving? Up and down. Right. What about direction of the propagation of the wave? It's moving to the right. Let me repeat at once. The particles in the string are moving up and down while the direction of propagation of wave is towards right. The particles are vibrating in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the wave. Such waves are called transverse wave. So are sound waves transverse wave? The answer is no. And it's because the particles of the medium are vibrating in the direction of propagation of wave. Here is a quick recap of what we did today. We saw that longitudinal waves are the waves in which particles of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of motion. sound waves or longitudinal waves. Sound propagates through the medium in the form of high pressure and low pressure regions. Hence, sound waves are also called pressure waves. And at the end, we saw that transverse waves mean they are waves in which particles vibrate at right angles to the direction of its propagation. In the next video, we will understand more about the propagation of sound waves. See you there. Thank you and thanks for watching the video.